ihe rya Uganda erya UPDF ryareka obukugu obubine na mnonga omukurwanisa abahechera. Aganagandi omugarukozi.
Kurukayo ometwe yitu yagarukosia ichiriza mbase kubaninga kuretera ombujire erizoba ishenjero yitu rya Uganda rya rugayo ryatongozaho akachiko akarije kubanika kora ahakurwanira abana bato babishiki abarukujemwa kushwerwa batakakize emyaka yo kuzumaka nangwa no kutwarenda bakiri bato. Akachiko aka nikije kubakebembirwe ori omugambirizi wishenjero Western Sa Aneta Amonga kandi nangwa harimo mnyishenjero rukujwekera bacyara mu district ya Mbarara ogwen Honorable Margaret Rwebyambu katubirebe.
Ishenjero ry'ihanga rya Uganda izoba rya nyuma zo bajeyo batongozaho akachiko akagenderire kumaraho umuhondano umbana bato na mnonga okumaraho abana okushwerwa bakiri bato hamwe nabo okugirenda bakiri bato kubesire Uganda Parliamentary Forum and Child Marriages obwekebembirwe uri mugambirizi wishenjere ryo area Uganda Western Sa Right Honorable Anita Aneti Amongi. Right Honorable Anita Aneti Amongi arigireyo yashaba abebembezi kugira ngo bakwatanise n'abazire ngo bundi bakareba abana babo batakutunga nda bakiri bato hamwe nabo abarukushwerwa bakiri bato.
It's the same way we should create awareness of the culture of how we should eliminate teenage pregnancies. First of all, it makes them die. You get a car. My mother was married at 13 years. 13. A girl cannot give birth at that age. Especially the children of these days. Maybe those traditional local people those days. But now these girls of these days, that's why you find so many girls are dying. So we need to create awareness. We need to visit schools, talk to these girls at schools, have counseling, have a girl-to-girl talk, have
Anita Aneti Amongi ubwabe naganiraho n'abembezaba argiyeyo no kubatebezaho akastore arikubagambira ngwe akatungenda akine emyaka 16 ukonkebera hanga akora akarge yatunga umugisha yagarika ashomero na ruhanga yamuyamba yabona kuba umuntu wo mugasho.
That's one good thing. We were working, though I was not 18, but we were working. I was 16, I was about 17. So we said, let's try. I tried, and that's how I got my firstborn, who is like my son, my brother. My firstborn is like my brother. So I want to tell you one thing. You can be taken through all of that, but the resilience to move out is very important. The resilience to move on is very important. As Parliament of Uganda, we have passed all the important laws that try to safeguard our girls. And I am a mother of boys. I have always advocated, sir advocates for only girls, but I advocate for both boys and girls. Because if you leave out these boys, these are the boys who are going to become your in-laws. These are boys who are coming to marry your girls. So you should not have a useless in-law. So we need to empower both the boys and the girls. And once you empower them, then you know you'll have a good society. And I want to tell you, Parliament of Uganda, I want to really thank Parliament of Uganda. We've advocated for this. The issue comes on implementation. The issue of implementation of the laws that we pass as Parliament of Uganda.
Anita Aneti Amongi agumize mukandi yaereka abazire n'obujunanizibwa bwa buri muntu wena okugira ngo barebuze hamwe no kureba abana babo baba bariyo mu bikorwa bibi bakabahabura okugira ngo bakayihaho ebikorwa bibi bya Sitani bibyo.
But I would be a very good man. No, but I would have missed the Barongo. And as we go out there to encourage our children, our youth on ensuring that there is not teenage pregnancies, we want to eliminate it. We want to create this awareness first to the population, to the parents. You find a parent leaving a kid to leave home at around 8, 9, 10.
Akachiko akishenjero akagenderire kumaraho abana bato kushorwa bakiri bato hamwe nabo kutungenda bakiriya myaka ya hansi munonga Karmuno ryo mucici umwishenjero ahabwa district eyambara wekitinisa Honorable Margaret Robyambu Ayebare kandogu nawe nukwe arigireyo akahabara abazire bakwatanise n'ababembezi ba government utiraho nabo abembezi b'amadini okugira ngo bakamaraho emihondano yo maka ngwako emihondano yo maka niyeretire abana bato kurwo maka gabisha bona banyinabo bakaza kuronda obundi butoro ngwakuba babatine cyo gukora kandi banga no kureba mbahemuka bakiro bato.
The next time I'll give you the full version. I'll give you a full version of it, but I am just telling you what matters is how you get out of it. How do you move on? How do you now? I grew up with that hatred of men. And why did I hate the men? Because it is a man who was trying to force me to get married. A man who was a husband to my mother. I actually stopped calling him my father. I said my mother's husband. That is how it reached. But after some time we got back and said, Daddy, don't you see? Now you're and that way. Now we got back when I was now in the Centenary Bank and I was lecturing in the university. Then I was telling, would you have it?
Ahabwa GNTV ya Garukosya tweheyo Ronald parliament.
Twagumizamo okurwa mu rurembo rwa Kampala abanyeshengero habakwasirwe polisi ahubwo kongera kucondozobwaho obushumankuzi abantu bashatu barimo Yusuf Muteburi oguno wa Bunyoro East and Ndijon Paul Akamba wa Busiri kandi hamwe na Sise Namuju owa Rwengo aba barebeka omukoteri izoba okongera kushomererwa emishango ibabatireho kandi nangwa n'abanyeshengero abandi bagumiza mbasha bangu barebeke ngo bacondozobwa kurungi kuba abe bakoze urubushumankuzi bwona wakasenta ko bakabatanasi katubirebe
Bwanyuma ya mukuru wihanga kandi kugumizamo no kujumerera ebikorwa by'obushomankuzi oburya hagati y'ishengero ya Uganda hamwe na ministry y'ebyesente kandi obwatari kugira ngo abo bona babyejumbire mu baza kurara babugana okugumirwa n'ingashi babugana kabi obwe government erukuza kubahiga nikirebeka ngo polisi yakachitwara personal nuko kurweka kwata abacico mu ishengero bashatu abarimo mu cico mu ishengero Yusuf Mutemburi oguno kucicera abantu ba Bunyore East Paul Akamba okucicera abantu ba Busiki County hamwe na Nowe Kitinisa Namuju Sise no kucicera abacyara ba Rwengo district ko ekabakomera aha polisi yakira kandi kabuza kanaka katano akwatiri no bushomankuzi na mnongo bwakozwe omumbarira ehwiri obwa hata bakicyaba bagamba ko batwarwa omukoti Elizoba yo kurwanisa obushomankuzi okubasa kwa nwehozaho amishango eri kuvunanibwa
kirabika obyagala okuba weeteekayo bwe wali wasaninga nga tewakoowa
ibyo kiryaho baba kico mwishengero abarimu kuri rubaju rw'ekibina cyo kuhakanisa government cha FDC mu parliament Isifunsi Bambi yajangwe takabacwera mushango konka yashaba kote kore cyo kubasika cyone koro kucondoza ngo barashanga ino mushango kwatwe kandi otine mushango arekurwe
bola kwogera ku musango guno ogwakwatda ababaka kubanga sigumanyi mu bujjuvu nekyo nyizo gamba nti mu mateeka tewali n'omwali waggulu w'amateeka okujjako president kati okubayita ku police okola statement okwenyonyolako tekina mutawaana era babalina omusango bajja batwala mu kooti bwe tebalina musango bajja kuteebwa kyetusaba nti kooti police yanguyize okubuuliriza baleme kugwa mu katego ak'essaawa 48 naye kyababaka ogenda okwenyonyolako nga basuubira okuzza musango tekina mutawaana naye kirala kigezaako okulaga nti ffenna ebifo ebyobuvunaanyizibwa tugezeeko biddukanya nga tugoberera amateeka ne tuvumiriza ofiisi zaffe sibasalira musango kubanga simanyi kigenda mu maaso era simanyi misango ki eginaaba bateeseddwako
we omukico mwishengero arugukira abacyara ba district ya Tororo wekitinsa Salo Pendi we yarge yagira ngo kirebeka ibigambo bya president nibibasa kurara byakora mukurugayo kwasa kwana barwana so bushomanguzo kutanikiro mu parliament hamwe no mbitongore bya government nuko kushaba naweho enkora ninga kote basekwanira Russia yabasekwane gamba ekikira abantu babi no mushango bakomwe babatine mushango barekurwe
ensonga eyo kitegeza nti ebigambo bya president police ebitutte era ekola omulimu gwayo era nze njagala kusaba ebitongole byonna ebirwanisa enguzi mu ggwanga lino temutunuulira abantu abatono muntu yenna eyenyigidde kulya ssente z'omusolo tulina okuba nti tubakolako etteeka lirina okubakolako so si kulonda nti ono ate MP tumuleke ate ono gundi tumuleke nedda enguzi ebanguzi enguzi ekosa bannayuganda bonna so abantu bafubanye okulaba nti basasule musolo basobole okufuna services naye abalala batuula bo banoonya engeri y'okubba ssente ez'omulimu omusolo so nze njagala kusaba of course omuntu abantu ali innocent abantu taina musango okutuusa nga bamutute mu kooti ne bamala process yonna ne bakizuula nti ddala wali enguzi so tusuubira tulinze process egende mu maaso eggweyo bw'oba ewedde nti ddala benyigidde mu kulya ssente zo mu omusolo bajja kusavinga taamu yaabwe
abandi bakico mwishengero nabo bargaye bagira ngo ebintu ebirumu obushomankuzi oburyake hamwe n'ebindi mutibyine rusarwo kubasa kwa nibiherezebwa omwanya mu parliament okubyejumba mbona bashimukana babonerezebwa munangwana cyabasika base kubona bakomwa
bakaba naffe ku nsonga y'obulyake n'obukenuzi sebo n'owo musalira omusango kuno kukyali kunoonyereza naye bana banoonyereza ne basanga nga benyigira mu buli bw'enguzi mu ssente y'omusolo ne babanga ne wembanze ndi mubaka nabo babaka nsaba etteeka likole kirina okukola ki okukola nsaba bireme kuteekebwa mu byabufuzi babalamule nga balina okubalamula etteeka likole ki ligende mu maaso
nga mbadde chairman wa komiti okumala emyaka 7 ekizibu kye tubadde nakyo nti buli kiseera tubadde tuwulira nti waliwo corruption mu parliament, tiwaliwo ababaka abali corrupt, naye nga tebasonga lunwe mu muntu nti ono tumusanze ali corrupt, era lwokuba tumusanze ali corrupt abonerezeddwa bw'ati. Kati nze kyembadde mbagamba bulijjo, kyembadde ngamba bakama bange, kyembadde ngamba speaker, kyengamba government chief whip, kyengamba ne bakama bange abatuteeka ku bukiiko nti omuntu bw'abanga ali corrupt bamukwate bamuvunaane okusinziira ku mateeka nga bwe gagamba.
Abwajentiva Garkosia atkunda Matthias.
Ishonga z'obushumankuzi ziri kweyongera omu ihanga rya Uganda bwanyuma ya mukuru w'ihanga kurugayo akagamba onayije kuba nabonereza bona ababwejumbire mu kushira munonga bebembezi abayine omu government egi abanyishengero batari bamwe na bamwe bargayo bashabangu buri mwebembezi weina omu government ya Uganda abase kuba nacondozwa katubirebe.
Bwanyuma ya mukuru w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kugumizamu no kuburira enjiriye yo kurwanisa obushomankuzi na mnonga nk'ebyagambire ubwabana ahereze yorubazorwe mu ihanga kandi obyabashitamira mu parliament kororo nko kwa bebembezi bo kurwa mu parliament barkwekobana na bebembezi bo kurwa ministry y'ebyesente bakari sente zo mu mushoro ubwa hata abantu baburijo bargayo kumusima hamwe no kumushaba kongera amano muri yeki.
Task 5, eliminate corruption in the public service and from among the political leaders. I've been getting good information about corrupt actors among the public servants, but also among the political actors. With firm evidence, we shall crush these traitors. Corruption is... Are you hearing me? You are hearing. I think the corrupt have brought rain. You know, they work with our rainmakers. I have been, this is not in the speech here, but I can mention to you, I have been hearing that people, even in my office, take bribes from people to bring people to see me. Can you imagine? But fortunately, recently we arrested one of them. He's alleged, according to the rules, I should not be accused that I'm saying something sub judice, which is in the court. He's alleged to have extorted shares and money from an investor who was coming from somewhere. He's now in court. So we are moving, we are going to get them. I have been hearing stories that there is a racket from the Ministry of Finance to Parliament. To Parliament. I have been hearing, but now I have proof. Norecho ababi bafude banange I have been hearing that from Ministry of Finance they arrange with the accounting officers of ministries to come to Parliament, working with some people there to provide certain funds, provided you take a share. I didn't believe this, but now I have proof.
bamwe aho twagambamo nabo abaruma b'ebyobushobozi abanyabutegetsi hamwe n'abebembezi b'amadini bamushaba kugira ngo agumze makore n'amani ngo bushomankuzi n'ekintu kimunonga.
Corruption mu Uganda niyo yiyongera umunonga n'amani yaho y'u Rwanda sangitwe abatura bo mu zone ukareba ngo yawe yarawucemo ko president witabira na kigamba kugamba corruption ni no Rwanda kandi sapandikira ayitwa abantu isi no makaditi aba corruption yaho ko nani ndiko maka yembera abantu abayi na government fewa yayo
nation umwaganga w'umuyembezi w'ihanga akateka munongesera ahakikwatire na corruption ekindi kiriyo kiretere cyangwa muri Uganda ningo mwihanga ry'indi Uganda no rwembuzi tumukari mwaka kabazungu corruption kibura makuru n'abantu bindi babura mu kigeni mwe no muri rurimi rw'igorukire ubushuma uburyo mwihanga ry'indi ubu bariyo nagezaho okugambaho no kuburwaniza ngo kwakishoboriye washanga ngo ubushuma butembere wahita no mu ofisi ye adahunje muyiza muri ya ntango bazo by'umukabyabaga akamani
kwindenye ndangabanese ubushobozi abarevo ikitandikira parliament leaders kushuma as we talk now president and his intelligence yokumara parliament zakushuzuma abamemba za parliament abo kuteekateekwaho namunonga saidi ejira y'abarwembuzi ziriya barwakamisha n'abayiganira sente bakuza kuteekaho issues z'amabati n'ibindi so tuteekateeka mu presidenti akurikira kuba twamwizeye na rwanda and a report yokuza kuva intelligence team yari yatera mu parliament n'abo leaders abandi naza kugaho n'ibindi kintu kirungi cyara base kwata mu yogano bakashanerwa bakarinda buzi abireke n'abo
barugayo basha abantu baburijo bona kurugayo baketaba umuhuru yo kurwanisa ubushomankuzi bakubashaba ngo bakose kibine nk'amasumu n'ebindi kujanjaza amahoro gona garukwata hari yabo abarkwetaba umbikorwa by'ubushomankuzi.
Corruption mu Uganda eriswe ibintu transparency igendera n'abantu abayiburu bariye mu ministers bariye mu aba MPs naho bicho wano ndakurebera aho basakurebera ka corruption yabireho abamabandi ikarga parliament iza waka corruption yabireho imwe ibindi baretire aba corona yari ibintu byabura abantu bazuza ati ubona urebera corruption uri mu cyeka cyone bariyemo baganda yona nabwo cyo gitamanti tunokorera mu twaje Rwanda twajyaho tuye na president bitupave na kigamba mu parliament kureba ngo corruption ejo yarwa
buri muntu we nahaye ararebe kikowe cy'kwina kakwade no kurwembuzi na no bushuma obushomankuzi making sure ko this mu yayi na because ni manyango buri cyaro hata kubura mu bantu 20 abine smartphone reka twoze sumuzi kudelivaringa message aha social media tubaze kuyambiha ngari rwano so kurwembuzi bene ntungu ko mu Uganda gereke abo kuba muri sache ikozurwe esente zikuzo mu rwembuzi zitakore mu mission kubanza ukora nezigera ezukusigara ko kore mirimo iyo ni tamuzi hanganide so kwa kwatara hamwe ningira ngo urwembuzi kwiza kubera hamwe kandi hanganide niza tuyambe no mwebembezi w'ibyo yihanga kugira ngo ebyaro gukora n'ikigenderwa cya icyamurezera
abagenti vagalkosia gumiseriza Alex ariho open umarmbar
zamo obwe ihanga rya Uganda rukwija kubane rushomerwa embarira y'2025 izobe rya ncyakare omnyishengero mcyara wa district ya Shema Western Honorable Rosemel Nyakongoro yargayo yashobora ahazimo intekateka eziyakubire na indango zitebwe omumbarire jo kandi yayorekana ministries eshemere kwanizongeza bwa sente kugira ngo zibase kubane zikora obuhereza bwabo kurungi no kubwisi on bantu ba Uganda katubirebe
so nabwo icyo nyoni yesiga ngo ebyo ebikwika aha muntu really ni bishemere kuba nibyo byayinjirwa mani
obwo tuwe n'abanyayuganda amisho tugazwire kandi tutyo tugahangere uruminisita w'ibyesente umuntu umuyihanga ya Uganda na ministre ye yizo ya nyenchakare kurigayo kandi batyo bakatushomera embalirira y'umwaka gw'ibyesente ogwe kumibera abernena abernetano hono bwa hati twarge no ganiraho n'abanyishengere batari bamwe na bamwe okubasa kushobora yaba embalirira ryo bagishwijumere kurunji kandi nangwa naho hona iba kubasa kureba ibitongore ningashe za ministre ezbenzetaga kasente kirireyo kwargari akakubazihire no kugira ngo emirimo ikabasa kugenda misho kurunji kandi etyo hono ministre ezo zitatungira buremezi ninga abanyayuganda baziganyurwa mu cyango okuganira n'uri munyishengero mu kazi rukikirira abantu ba district eyashemo w'ikitinisa honorable Rosemary Nyakikongoro nabingi muhita nyaje hona yargayo no ganira no munyamakuru witu narwo jango bwa hatiya babaziye kushitama nkishengero bashuje makuru nje mbarira kandi izo ari yanyecyakare yabaneshomwa hona ngiye kubancereka ngo bakagishuje makuru nje omukugamba za ministre zbenzetaga konjeza bwayoni ngasho kuhereza bwakasente kirireyo kugira ngo abanyayuganda bakabasa kutunga buhereza burunji bwirireyo hona owikitinisa honorable yatandukana ministre y'ebyamagara ari kugira ngo akasente akahiro ministre y'ebyamagara kabenka kuba keyongireyo okurenga ari akakuba basize kubahereza kugira ngo hona ministre ye kakure mirimo yayo kandi gendo misho kurunji
parliament atwizima twaje kugeza kuko numanya ngitwe tenseza mu rwingi kuko aho kuba noreba ngo nuyenda budget yongeremo na mnongo kurebera imbere ko tubere enka ekitongere cya health aboko ebintu by'amagara abantu babona noshanga amarwariro yes government egombekire nagandi gariyo mugombekwa kuko equipment zikumara ukaza kushanga ukashanga na CT scan ngo mu region erumemwe rero umuntu aza koko umuntu muyanka hide bamugamba nambara ukikanambara ukashanga nguterho nguzo mu private ukendo kushashura byari ibintu byagara z'abantu kandi ubusasi bw'abantu rwingi munonga waza umarwariro gona so nano kongera ebitando mu marwariro embazi aho ntombenye nango actually ministry ya health tukagira kutwajongera
nagira ngo babahirwa kasente kinji ona ministry ejo ekarigire yegura za ambulance nyamwinji za kubasa kuyamba abantu mu marwariro gatarga mwe na gamwe na munonga twire cyo kureberaho nko mu district ya Shema
noreba bakatekaho ambulances aha mwe bakazitungira kandi ezo ambulances niziyamba zikabeze connected na namarwariro agaga referrals kandi yitwenke chwekechi twenda ngo twongere muri referral abo kuba mbarira no mwizuzo no bwavuze mu private clinics no mwizuzo so tukantwenda ngo at least rwarere giterya kitagata hospital byaba referral ndibarya chwaho omwizo gwambarira district
Ministre ndijo yabe najangwe berine konjezubwaho aha kasente ni ministre y'ibyo bwegese ecyakugira ngo bwa hatiya za fundraising mu mashomerezo yongera abo kugira ngo agasente nikace munonga kariyo ministre ejo n'abantu nicyo kibakorgayo nangwa n'abakuru b'amashomero bakatandika za fundraising okugira ngo bakabasa kutunga kasente akakutungura ibyo bwegese n'amashomero gatarga mwe na gamwe
ekindi no mashomero mwenye ndakugambira no gukora ba member ba parliament really fundraising zibe fundraising population y'abana yiyongire kuko bwo yiyongire infrastructure yiyongire noza kushangana ushanga bazire nduba ryo nibecwacwa nando bagira ki nibeyombe ka infrastructure mu mashomero ecyabire kiruho government keyombe ka mashomero abana bazayo bashome umuzira shashura esende konkati infrastructure tero so na budget y'amashomero teyera yiyongire munonga abo kuba waza kureba ebicweka bihangwa bya umwizo gw'abantu n'abana bato so twaba tutiyembekere amashomero n'abana tubakiza kugira ki kugira bashomera
Ministre eyekikura cy'abantu kanangwa n'imikorere y'abantu hona na yarje yagira ngo ebeni yitaga konjezubwa akasente kurgari yakungo habwo kuba ministre ejo harimo ibintu nyamwinji ningashente kateka za government nyamwinji harimo ko kumanehereza abakikuru n'abazeyi sente ecyakugira ngo ubwa hati y'abakikuru mu ndomu yangari ya Uganda nibinji munonga nabwecho ministre ejo ebene kwebwa akasente kinjo kugira ngo n'abazeyi babaseganyurwa
ebiyene kitongere cyagenda ati kitongere cyagenda bamwe tubakucenga kurungi niye eyekikura cy'abantu obwo sente bakutekamu obwo abakikuru obwa youth obwo abacyara nize sente ezikwika ahantobo y'omuntu owa hansi akagira cyayekorera hati nora tukwa tugamba ngo mureke korera kidacyonka hari abacyara batinitaka hati wote ine kasente ka business tarkwija kubisa hwekaye abacyara baryo ko batoba parish development model tajirumu abo ko tayineki tayinita hati yabura benefiting okwe na neza wepo ningeze z'abacara tazayiyongeraho ka budget kaguma karya hansi hatona igasiraki hariyo abagurusi noreba tubara ab'emyaka 9
arje no kujumera cyo kugira ngo government ikatandikira myaka ya higuro okuhereza abazeyi n'abakikora kasente ecyari kugira ngo government yo abakozi bayo ne batandikira myaka nkaga ngo n'abazeyi nabwecho bine kuba batandikira myaka nkaga ukugira ngo akasente ako bakakose kurungi batyo ubundi bebe biso bareke kuteganisa bijukora
government yo kanesha shura abantu abakorita yaringa ha myaka nkaga ikatandika kuhereza pension yabo ayitwa abakize myaka nkaga abakorira ihanga abakozi b'umwe abwakiko akasimo kabo katakutandika nabo aha myaka nkaga abuko abo kiriya amyaka nkaga no bukina abantu gukira kindi gukora ukagira maybe aka business kwaye bisaho ni wakakubisaho waza kubera kimwe bote oboine akantu akakubisa abo kuba hari igenda omukikuru no mugurusi no kwefaho omwana nawe naba natobanekaye umwijikuru naba natobanekaye
za asimwe kagese ahaba GNTV agarukosye
Chiriza tuzomuka humuro tujya kuba tugaruka n'icwika cya kabiri utakargaho
Abantu bakamwenje bigodi ruwamwanja bishozi n'ebicwege bijetorire King of Kings Church Nafback hamwe n'abariso bakamwenje bakurita Bishops for Jesus Crusade hamwe na conference kurgebira bikwezi abna mushansho mpaka abna mwenda yo kwa mukaga 2024 omuri Bishozi Trading Center enyuma ya Petro Station ebyona byebembirwa Bishop Dr. Cyrus Sayibwa akwatanisi n'abahereza nka Pastor Rusna Tkunda Joseph Kamagala Bishop Abel Kanyankole Bishop Tinomushunikazi Pastor Omgurusi Katongore hamwe n'abandi binji obwatafirwa bagambi bebembirwe Evangelist Gibson 20 Evangelist Gilbert Kwena Pastor Joshua Israel Reverend Mwebesa Jimmy hamwe n'abandi binji abeshongosi bebembirwe Lady Diana hamwe n'abandi binji kurgebira bikwezi abina mushanzo mpaka abina mwenda byo kwa mukaga 2024 turyo muri Bishops Trading Center enyuma ya Petro Station kurugasheshe tuzakasheshe mpaka shayibiri zechiro ebyona bihagirwa GNTV releasing kingdom life murete muga ebiteta ebifamatu n'abantu bone bashobirwe mukama koro mu rumagwe bakachi
Izoba yona na Uganda yona kutwariza hamwe Kashari Farm Resort niyo hoteli yihorere yorabasa kubonererwa mu businje bwawe ukatebenkaniramu ahasigara ukagumurije eco buraro bakaciheza bine deluxe cottages ezora nyamamu weno katebenkana swimming pool oragwa mu mizi dibi oruge mudobi bine gym oraza yona nura magufwa weno gumori fiti okugira ngo amagaraga ugatebenkane bine steam na sauna bine ba chef abakugu abana kutekera cha mushana cha ekiro hamwe na breakfast. Bine conference hall orenda korera yenchiko. Bine garden zinunje munonga orakorera yembaga. Bine bizaniso by'abana bato bouncing castle. Kashali Farm Resort erashangwa Mutonto Rubaya Mbarara district. Okwenda kumanya birashiraho shengura noti 2 noti chenda 10 na noti mushanju noti 8 shanju na mushanju noti 2. Kashali Farm Resort niyo hoteli erasinga yihorere gamba nokora.
This is GNTV, releasing life.
Zamu nagaruko syo muchweka chitu echa kabiri omchara Jovrin Kalisa chomkama ogu norukugwa omjere bya mukuru w'ebyentekateka ya PDM ninga chibenjwa kumanyaka Parish Development Model yargayo yashaba abantu okuruga omucyange cya Kigezi okurengwa kwatanisa na basekretary b'ekibine cya PDM okurengwa abasakwana barasyaho esente izo nagirango esente ezikahebwa omukwezi kwa kana omuri omuchweka echa kabiri gukande sente zishemeire kubazahibwa abantu no kutandika kubaganyirwa mu naba batakasitungire barebeke ngo abitamamani nabo bazitunge batandike kwetungura katubirebe.
Jovrin Kalisa chomukama wabinji bayesere omuchara omwekambi ogunoro kugwa ombijere byori mukuru weji programu ya Parish Development Model omihanga ya Uganda yargayo no kwetombiturwa ministry yebye sente ari kugira ngo yakakora kubi okuchereza esente eza Parish Development Model omuchanga echa Kigezi ekini kizaho bwanyuma yo mushomo ogumazire biro 2 ahari Bunyonyi Safaris omdistrict ya Kabale obu abazwecherwa mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda abakwegitera omucyange cyo cya Kigezi bishente komente beza katano bakao hamwe na naba abakuru ombibye busubuzi barigireyo bakwetera ndaho okureba ko bakubasa kubutura eji program ya Parish Development Model.
If they concentrate, they don't get this man and they don't go to bars and also marry other two second wives and then misusing the money. The output can come very easily and accept the submission. Others will not do that alone. But when you practice it, you are able to have more money than you have been presenting.
Omushomogu gube gugenderire kumanyishonga na habwachi district zimwe ezo kusangwa mucyanga cya Kigezi zirumunka rukunjiri hamwe na Kabare zitakatungire kicweka ecya kabiri ece sente za Parish Development Model. Parish Development Model eji ekiza yatongozebwaho omukwa kabiri okumwaka gw'2022 erukutongozebwaho mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obwo barukwenda kukwata abantu abarukwingana miliyoni 3 hamwe n'emitwaro 50 kubiha ombworo. Eji programu ya Parish Development Model ekiza yatongozebwaho mukwa kabiri okumwaka gw'2022 erukutongozebwaho mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obwo bagenderire okukwata amakagaru kwingana miliyoni 3 n'emitwaro 50 bakabiha ombworo. Ezi sente za Parish Development Model zikiza zatongozebwaho government y'ihanga rya Uganda barukuzireta okugira ngo abanyarwanda bakatunga entasya na munonga omukubasa kwekoraho emirimo yabo hamwe no kushubura okwebikira nyensya hamwe na kubutura ebyo buhinji omihanga rya Uganda. Parish Development Model yasha emyaka 2 yebye sente omihanga rya Uganda okwiha netandikaho konkano bwerabe mazuru bwiro bwona nibagira ngo teizire kukoraje omishweka ecya Kigezi hamwe no kwetorura ihanga ryone rya Uganda.
Why is local government failing to quickly disburse is because the changing of guidelines are becoming too much. And the president sent me on a mission, and the mission is one. Me, my mission, my brothers and sisters, is one. people to have what? Money. And now the financer said, it's the cows, I am coming for you. Because I have to show my master that I am working.
Omukwakana komako gwa guturu mugwe 2024 bakiza baletaho esente z'echeka kya kabiri ekya parish development model okugira ngu kikayamba abanyuganda. Jovrin Kalisa chomukama anho yargayo kateka bakuru mu government yahaninga ariko abuze kirumu kitera program ya PDM owishe bitaka bakarye bakamugira ngu ebya parish development model biyonu bitebwa government ministry ebesente ngwa kubaneretaho empinda hinduka omunteka teke ibine abanyuganda babuzabuzwa. Jovrin Kalisa tiyakomaho akakumu yagumezamu yakatunga ba secretary aba program eji ya parish development model arikujangu nibacererwa okugamba ebizibu eby'abanyuganda bariyo mbaleba omu program eji.
Not yet disbursed. Where is the problem? Remember, our mission is to get the 39% of people in Kigezi, people in Uganda who are in subsistence economy to money economy. Those who are in both agriculture and animal farming. For now, we have lost the season. Mr. Katede, this is to you, because you are from finance, right? You are from finance. And you are telling where did you disburse money now, for what a mistake.
Jovrin Kalisa chomukama yargeno gamango myaka ebireji yembalira government yanga Uganda ikarge yarekora sente zirukwingana akatabarka kamwe hamwe n'obuhumbi butano utireho na miliyoni igana 50 kuza harburumuruka. Ahano yarga yakatera umuranga abembezi kurgaye bakakwatanisa n'abasekretary ba program eje ya parish development model amwe na ministry ya government byanga okugira ngo program ya parish development model ya gendo misho etine kiri kugiteganisa.
Government has so far invested over 1.5 trillion Ugandan shillings, 150 million so far per parish. I want to show you that's a lot of money. So that's for the last 2 financial years. Soon another 50 is doing what? It's also coming at the wrong time for those who are in agriculture. For those who are in animal farming, it's okay. It's healthy, right? But for these ones in agriculture, zero. That's why you see the finance man has run away.
Ubwahati ba secretary obeta bahandichi ba parish development model bayoni betorora ihanga ryona erya Uganda okwenda kureba esentezi za parish development model abanyuganda okubazikolise okugira ngo zabiha omboro. Ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya ndi Clinton nabo mjomba omuchanga ekya Kigezi.
Twagumizamu omugobusasi omukasheshekera izoba abantu mukaga nibo bafeiraho bwanyuma ya basi eyekike cyakasaba iriko banerwa mu district ya Rukungiri okutomerana hamwe na taxi kandi n'ikigambwa ngo baseji ya Bernamba UAP 385 U kandi taxi ya Bernamba UBN 337 H katurebe uko byagenda.
Abantu mukaga nibo bagamba kuba baferaho kandi bashatu bakafutazibwa umubutandu yabaho omukasheshekera izoba ashaza shayikumiza kasheshe muri kushesheshesha arguto orwantungamo kuza Rukungiri omwanya kurumangu kwa kacika kandi mu district ya Ntungamo. Mutandeji yabaho bwanyuma y'imotoka ya UBN 337 H y'ubwoko bwa Toyota Hiace hamwe na basi yakasaba bus company namba UAP 385 U kubasa kwane zitomerana. Okurugera amakuru agaroho buroho ubwahatu imotoka eri kumanka ya UBN 337 H Toyota Hiace nge izinje bakumanga drone yabanerwa Rukungiri eri kuzantungamo kandi yabaruko mpira nko kupakinga aharubajwe nguto omukono gwa buryo kareke cweka cumwe cye motoka omuhanda ubar kugezo kwasa kwana baterezo mpirogo Echo mujombi omuvugi w'emotoka ya basi arukuruga Kampala arukuza rukungiri yasakwa naterebuka ruguto nuko kubatahamu akabatomera abantu mukaga baferaho kandi aba otwariremo na driver hamwe na tanman. Umubanda bafa harimo umupolisi kandi urukora police station ya Nsangi n'abatakamanyirwe mazina. Polisi eyahanguto yasakwa neyirukira umwanya ogu nuko kutwara abantu bona umwirwaro uri kumankiri ya Divine Health antunga mu specialist medical center ukubasakwa n'abahereza obujanjabi. Emibiri y'abafa yasakwa netwara umwirwaro erya Rwashamire Health Center 4 kubasakwa n'bongera kora kucondoza ahabwenche bafa. Kandi ebisigarwa bya motoka byasakwa n'ibitwarwa aha polisi yantunga mu police station obwo kucondoza kuri kugenda misho. Ebi byahamwa omugambirizi wa polisi yahanguto orukumanka Superintendent of Police Michael Kananura.
Abaferwa mukama base kuba nabahumuriza kandi nabafa bahumura umbusinje. Twagumizamu area Uganda area UPDF byargayo no koreka obukugu bwabo omu bibariyo no bashomesa amahe kandi bayoreka obukugu obwo kurwanira amezi omukishaka hamwe no mwanya katukuretere ebirukiraho.
Abantu mukaga nibo bagamba kuba baferaho kandi ihe rya Uganda People's Defense Forces ninga shiriyete UPDF wakashashekera izoba ryargiri asakwa ndiyoreka obukugu bwaryo eribi obubine na mnonga umukurwanisa abahekera abatema hamwe n'ebindi oterwe no kurinda abanyarwanda. Umubi bashoza birumu obukugu obubine na mnonga umukutera amasasi kukosa za tanka zitari zimwe na zimwe za kajegere emotoka ebine hamwe n'ebindi. Aba bagaruka batworeka ebimotoka ebibine na mnonga amana gibyine okutambura ahanguto zitari zimwe na zimwe ezirumwe byina ebibare okutemba enshozi hamwe n'ebindi. Bargayo bayoreka enyonyi ndwani eziganda yasya na mnonga omukurwanira omumwanya na no kubakwasa kwano zikozesa ninga shobuko ryobuzine omukutera bayekera.
Attention. Bump.
aba UPDF tubarutumira mwana bagaruka batoreka amato agibine na mnongo kurwanira nyanja ningasho mu mizi hamwe no bukugu bw'abasirikare abo mu mizi obubine okugezaho kurebeka ngo abasakwa barwana so murabe wena wakwenda kuretwa mizi.
A lot of professionalism. I was really impressed at your stamina. Somebody who's never swum will not know what you guys were going through in the water. Paddling for that long and keeping your head above the water line for that long.
Support. Yes, training has been considered one of the most important critical projects needed to have the competencies.
Efficiently and effectively, there is need for skilled crews.
For certain needs, it's not a simple thing.
Bagaruka bayoreka obukugu na mnonga mu kutera amasasi ningashi omukore katageti akugendera okwasa kwamba maraho umuhekera. Mnongo mukutambura na mnonge mukuru ari kubebembirwe mukuru w'ihangare Uganda wokinzagene Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Ubwa hati barga bayoreka okuba kucira kubikora hamwe n'amahagibine amingi ebitongoro bitarumwe na mwe okubikoreka obukugu omukutambura ningashi okuba kucira kukora amyoge tariye mwenemu. GNTV agarukosia atkunda Matias.
Wembarira yihangariye Uganda kuza kushomwa izoberya ncyakare umunyamakuru witu yahika mbavuji ba bodabodo mu rurembo rwa Mbaraha okubabuza abari kutekateka bishemerire kubana bicendezwa nangwa no kongera omumbarireji bargayo bashaba government mberabe nerebeka ngo yacendeza bacendeza amashtage biruka ngo bwe na bwenka bavuji ba boda nugwe baraganyirwe mu mirimo yabo katubirebe.
Mazina Francis so kugira kuko yabajyana yiteze yabure kuziza bajyana cyakare kusoza budget yihange niyo nani nsaba ka government badanga umugaso y'umuri wano hakangara amasita bamwe y'itano sanga bakora kanana bako basanga na amasita y'itano bakora kanana bikorera nuno kwa rose salama zitajira bene bakwata kasimba kandi bakongera mu mahwaro bakore muto bintu zo mu ndeko ndo songa zanjeza sigara ndo songa na government ya nagenda kugamba kizaro neza kizaro nogere kiyaro nubakira mutaro mwenda nakenda isosere piki ekikanga kure mawano burenge kadera piki bagitwara imarengo kwezi sanga burizo banebara kadiyo sanga bakubara nugo batakuvuga kizonanga kizu sanga burizamba jibara kitomera babatakufiro birango bakuremesa kizaro nzahita nagambe asiya mutabantu amazina miliyoni zingeradi ndagamba nsonga zaitu nk'abaana ba bodaboda ensonga y'okubanza n'ensonga y'amasita amasita mazima price y'aiguru tusaba n'enkyatali kubalaze kusoma budget nka gavumenti otuyamba amazima amasita ezisarreho amazima bagarike barebe nk'enguuto enguuto amazima tuzireho nkitwe nk'aba bodaboda ntuteganya nono ozankanto osanga orufiire kandi esente ninki osanga bateekamu amasita g'emu5 gakora siringi 8 amazima tugatuganyibwamu tugaruka nsonga ya bodaboda za roni oyo bodaboda ya roni bagikutereza bakugambira emyaka ebiri okiba wasasura omwaka gumwe n'ecweka ogiramu okuteganya kandi baba baturade emisolo z'insurance osanga batazitukoora ogiramu okuteganya osanga piki yakuteganisa osanga nibakubanza nk'amezi nk'abiri konka mbayenda gakwakira piki aha mitwaro nka 40 amazima gavumenti ensonga ezo ezigamba ontuye piki oba wagisaswire wagiye kugimarayo bo nk'ababanka bakora b'enyuma benda bagikwake otakasaswire egyo piki ekawayo kandi tibakabasa kugumisiriza niyo nkanye nk'ensonga yandi inaningamba nyenja kareni benda tusomera budgeti yanga lyona konka amazima nsindika message ya president w'iyanga amazuta gagezemba kumanza gatembesa kandi abasabaze abasaza butufuni yanga tiruhire musente tubantu n'abarukuni omuvugo mbiyanga robikono mutwara katete aba rukuni onyo amazuta genkumiri osanga otasevinga na chikumi ati ngito binde za family abana bakwenda school fees za piki za roni bisange bimwe bintu za piki za turemerera abo kuronda esenta mazuta gari hali mazima president wiyanga yatwatira mu budget aho mazuta akagashumya nanga ritakajiteka 15 ninge 10 ekintu ntibasa kwata za roni zona tuzisasire mazima nyoni jona asindikire message ekari president wiya n'amazina gange Dr. Saddam kano mubanje nibaga boda konka yende kuyenza kugira ngo ngati bari kuzosohora tukabe twenda kugira ngo bajye kuyasohora ayo cyene za mafuta tujya twasiremo naro abajya binjata babaza za roni sanga ko nyingi amafuta kugira ngo abo wateka mu sanga barakugamo kugira ngo barya price ya yeguru sanga roni zatunyiganiramo so batita rostire kuriya sanga roni ya cyatwara ebitongore yasigamira gavumenti baje ebagambe de cooperative kwato mbantu munonga cyenderezeho ane bikokasigara etine so emere fine ndanisha bangu budget yitu yare bika abantu bambara boda boda cyo kubanza amashita ngatremese kora no wafika amashita no tamo banga wana tani kumita nere jakabe twazombi na hakika kare rodi katika kile abantu bagombiza kudangu na cheri twetire kwa tunachi nanezende nguto murto muchikono muchibabo kwita kanyankore muchu nazimagara bakwata mu nshongwezo then itabana ba boda yare batwata mu nshonga zitu ngeyo kusanga yare like wafuleti zimekwe chiba kuniga munyumba bakwata mbako sanga na banyine kana
Hagongo batwinire kireki bebare gukora hamwe n'itwe omugaruko osya mukama murungi abatwumire ndi Eva Sakangwasa obusinge